Welcome, students! We are going to reveal CBSE 12th History Toppers Answer Writing Tips. Want to score top marks in CBSE Class 12 History? Here are expert tips straight from toppers. Tip 1. Understand the question 30 seconds. Pushpin, read the question carefully. Identify keywords like analyze, explain, or critically evaluate. For source-based question, understand the context before answering. Break down long questions into smaller parts to answer effectively. Direct hit example, if a question asks, analyze the impact of the non-cooperation movement, don't just describe it, explain why and how it impacted India. Tip 2. Follow the right answer structure 40 seconds. Memo, use a clear structure. White heavy checkmark introduction to 2-3 lines, define the topic. White heavy checkmark main body present facts in short paragraphs or bullet points. White heavy checkmark conclusion summarize with a key takeaway. Rocket bonus tip, for long answers, 6 markers, use headings and subheadings to make your answer well organized. Tip 3. Include dates, facts and historians' views 40 seconds. Calendar dates and events is equal to more marks. Bust insinuate, use historians' views to support arguments. Small blue diamond, add keywords from insert to show conceptual clarity. Memo example, instead of saying, the revolt of 1857 had multiple causes, write, the revolt of 1857, described by R.C. Majumdar as neither first, nor national, nor a war of independence, had political, economic, and social causes. Tip 4. Presentation and time management 30 seconds. Pushpin, write neatly and highlight key points. 3 o'clock, allocate time per question, don't spend too much on one. Bar chart, use flow charts, tables and maps for visual impact. Electric light bulb example, for Harappan civilization, draw a simple map instead of lengthy descriptions. Ancient India, focus on Harappan civilization, including town planning, trade, and decline. Study the modern empire, especially Ashoka's Dhamma, inscriptions, and economic policies. Don't forget the impact of Buddhism and Jainism. Medieval India, Bhakti and Sufi movements, Vijayanagra Empire, and Mughal revenue system, including Mansabdari and Zamindars, are crucial. Pay special attention to agrarian relations and Mughal administration. Modern India, the 1857 revolt, its causes and consequences, Gandhi's movements such as civil disobedience and Quit India, and constitution making are key topics. Also, focus on the role of various leaders and the debates in the Constituent Assembly. NCERT is essential. Read every line and highlight important dates and terms. Use timelines and flowcharts for quick revision. Solve previous year's questions and sample papers covering at least 5 years. Map practice is a must, as it guarantees 5 easy marks. Write answers with historian perspectives and include relevant sources. Stay consistent with revision and practice structured answers to maximize your marks. Best of luck! Public address loudspeaker, comment below if you found these tips helpful. Rocket, for more tips, tricks, and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more helpful videos. Good luck with your studies and exams.